The Center for Project-Based Learning was part of the Future Learning Initiative, that is an ETH plus project from ETH. What we are doing in the center is proposing to students that are bachelor thesis and undergraduate in general students some activity and tasks that come from our own research. We want them to face a problem and having a real project to accomplish. Many of these activities that we are proposing in the Learning Center are for giving the opportunity to students to really improve their skills and apply theoretical background that they learn in other courses. So the student can really face the problems that are innovative, novel, and having a flavor of research in their own problem.